Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a lot of chocolate chip cookies. First, let's gather our essential ingredients for a generous batch. You'll need 2 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon each of baking soda and salt. For richness, grab 1 cup of softened unsalted butter, 3/4 cup of granulated sugar, and 3/4 cup of packed brown sugar. Don't forget 2 large eggs, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and 2 cups of delicious chocolate chips. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now that you have your ingredients, let's start mixing. In a large bowl, cream together the softened butter with both the granulated and brown sugars until the mixture is light and fluffy. This step is crucial for a tender cookie. Next, beat in the 2 large eggs one at a time, ensuring each is fully incorporated before adding the next. Then, stir in the 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. In a separate bowl, whisk your dry ingredients, flour, baking soda, and salt. Gradually add this dry mixture to the wet ingredients, mixing until just combined. Be careful not to overmix. With your dough mixed, it's time for the star ingredient, chocolate chips. Gently fold in the 2 cups of chocolate chips until they are evenly distributed throughout the dough. Once combined, cover your cookie dough tightly with plastic wrap. This next step is important for perfect cookies. Refrigerate the dough for at least 30 minutes. Chilling the dough helps prevent your cookies from spreading too much during baking, ensuring a thicker, chewier texture. It also allows the flavors to meld, resulting in a richer, more delicious cookie. Finally, it's time to bake your delicious cookies. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Drop rounded tablespoons of dough onto ungreased baking sheets, making sure to space them about 2 inches apart to allow for spreading. Bake for 9 to 11 minutes, or until the edges are beautifully golden brown and the centers are still slightly soft. Once baked, let the cookies cool on the baking sheet for a few minutes before transferring them to a wire rack to cool completely. Enjoy your homemade chocolate chip cookies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.